Welcome to the Explainer. Look, we all spend a ton of time talking about AI as a software revolution, right? The models, the algorithms, the integration layers. But honestly, the true bottleneck right now isn't software at all. It's hardware. AI is fundamentally a heavy, industrial, real-world operation. Behind all those magical digital outputs is a massive physical footprint. And today, we're going to map out exactly what that means for your operational roadmap. Let's get into it.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is our strategic roadmap for today. We're going to hit four main areas: the data center baseline, the AI hardware shift, massive resource demands, and finally, the energy infrastructure challenge.
Starting off with Section 1, the data center baseline, where we define this modern physical infrastructure, because the cloud is actually very, very tangible. So, just to level set here, we need to look at our core operational assets through a strictly physical lens. A data center is, simply put, a physical facility housing rows of computers and networking equipment required to process and transmit data at a massive scale. But for enterprise planning today, these aren't just your standard IT closets anymore. They are heavy industrial facilities that command massive capital expenditure and literally dictate your ability to scale. And the sheer level of isolation required to run these places, it's intense. We're talking minimal to no windows, security cameras everywhere, biometric screening just to get through the door, and then just endless rows of computers. You really have to think of it as protecting billion-dollar hardware investments and your most highly sensitive intellectual property. It's like a physical fortress for digital assets.
All right, moving to Section 2, the AI hardware shift. This is the core technological pivot driving everything right now.
Now, you know the legacy cloud infrastructure we've relied on for years, right? That was all built around CPUs, or central processing units. It worked great for conventional services, but modern AI, it requires a completely different architecture. Training and deploying these large language models means you have to use GPUs, graphics processing units. This pivot from a CPU-based architecture to ultra-dense GPU clusters, well, that's literally the primary driver of all the infrastructure friction we're seeing today.
And this brilliantly illustrates why that hardware paradigm is changing. It's just pure mathematical necessity. Training a modern AI model on mountains of data requires massive additional computing power. Standard legacy servers, they just can't handle it. GPUs, on the other hand, are engineered specifically for parallel processing. They do a staggering volume of calculations all at the exact same time. This creates an ultra-dense computing environment that is absolutely non-negotiable if you want to scale AI.
Which brings us to Section 3, massive resource demands, and honestly, the infrastructure fallout of all this.
So this leap to ultra-dense GPU clusters sets off a crazy chain reaction that is completely rewriting facility design. Let's walk through it. Step 1. You have immense computing power, which draws a staggering amount of electricity. Step 2, that density generates extreme heat. Way beyond what normal server racks produce. And step 3, to mitigate that heat, you need massive amounts of water for elaborate air conditioning or advanced liquid cooling systems. So basically, computing density directly creates some really severe supply chain and resource procurement headaches.
To put that power draw into perspective for a second, consider this number, 10x. According to the International Energy Agency, asking a large language model like OpenAI's ChatGPT a question takes nearly 10 times the electricity of a traditional search engine query. 10 times! Every single user prompt is an order of magnitude leap in operational expenditure compared to our legacy systems. And when you aggregate that expenditure up to the facility level, the numbers get pretty wild. 400,000. The IAA estimates that just one large-scale data center consumes the exact same amount of electricity it takes to power 400,000 electric vehicles. It's unbelievable. So when tech giants are looking to build or lease new AI infrastructure, they aren't just plugging into a wall. They are actively competing for municipal-level power resources. And that leads us to our final part, Section 4, the Energy Infrastructure Challenge, covering the strategic responses and grid realities. How are the big players handling this? Well, companies like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google are aggressively trying to secure their own power supply. They're going way beyond standard procurement. They're actually tapping into nuclear energy and financing massive new wind and solar projects. And look, these aren't just feel-good sustainability initiatives. These are aggressive, strategic moves to build a self-sustaining competitive moat so they can bypass local power grids that are either failing or completely maxed out. But we need to look at the near-term reality, which is quite different. The vast majority of data centers out there still have to plug directly into local and regional electricity grids. And right now, the baseload power for those grids remains heavily reliant on burning fossil fuels. That is just the current reality of the infrastructure.
So, what does this all mean? Well, it creates a massive friction point between the rapid growth of AI and global climate promises. This hypergrowth runs directly counter to corporate sustainability pledges and ESG goals. Simply put, relying on fossil fuel grids to meet these immediate, massive infrastructure needs makes it incredibly difficult for tech companies and countries to keep their promises on addressing global warming. It's a highly complex public relations and regulatory tightrope for enterprise leadership right now.
Which leaves us with the ultimate question. How will the tech industry balance the insatiable energy demands of GPU-driven AI with their climate change promises? As you chart out your own strategic roadmaps, you have to keep this in mind. Physical infrastructure and power availability are, without a doubt, the ultimate bottlenecks of the AI revolution. Understanding that is absolutely a boardroom imperative. Thanks for joining me on this explainer.